Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Cyberpunk 2077. You got an error. Cyberpunk has flatlined on startup. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have installed a Vera security antivirus into your PC, make sure you completely uninstall it. Secondly is if you are using any key binding software such as auto hotkey or any default program of your mouse or your keyboard that helps you keep bind, make sure you uninstall that particular program, and after uninstalling revert to default settings of your mouse or the keyboard, and this will help you resolve the error. If this failed to work out, in second step, first of all, make sure you uninstall this Cyberpunk Vortex mode. It is one of the major cause behind the error Cyberpunk has flatlined. So make sure you uninstall this Vortex mode and then right click on start menu, choose option run, type percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Now here the press key to find a folder with the name CD project red. Open it, open Cyberpunk, and here you will find a file with the name user settings. Go ahead, right click on the file and choose option delete. After deleting the file, relaunch the game and the issue will be fixed. If this also failed, in next step, first of all, I highly recommend to turn off the overclocking. For example, if you have set your XMP profile to profile 1, profile 2, make sure right into the BIOS menu, you must set your XMP profile to auto or the default. This will disable the overclocking. After disabling the overclocking, you need to head over to the game directory. At my end, the game is installed in F drive, Steam library, and here is Cyberpunk. Now open the folder R6 Publishing X64. Now here are the things that you need to perform. First of all, if you find a folder with the name GOG, right click and choose option copy, paste the folder right over here. After pasting the folder, rename the file and give it a name null. Once you have done so, right in the address bar, again click on this Cyberpunk 2077 folder. This time open bin x64 and right over here you will find a file with the name game services gog.dll. So press the G key. Once you find the game services gog.dll file, you need to right click on the file and choose option delete. At my end, the game file is not available. So for those users where the game file is not available, they need to again open the game directory and open redistribute folder. From here, a list of programs are available. Go ahead, double click on each of the program available right over here to launch it and then repair Visual C++, Quick SVV and DX12. After repairing and installing all these files, relaunch your game and the issue of Cyberpunk has flatline will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.